LearnItalian.us wants to know, when is a DUI a good thing? When it's definitely useful Italian.
Ciao, salve, buongiorno, buonasera. Hi, hello, good morning, and good evening. Wherever you are and whatever time zone you're in, thank you for joining us for this lesson. Sono Roberto. I'm Roberto. In my opinion, regardless of the language, the two most powerful words are thank you and you're welcome. So, how do you say them in Italiano? That is where we begin this lesson. Enjoy.
2 words, grazie, prego. Go ahead and repeat, grazie. One more time, grazie. Prego, repeat, prego. Again, repeat, prego. Bravi. Grazie means thank you. Repeat one more time, grazie. And prego means you're welcome. Repeat, prego. Very good.
So it's as simple as that. Grazie, prego. In Italiano, there are many ways to express how thankful you are. But remember, I said for right now, we're going to keep our lesson simple. So I'm going to show you one more, and it is very common, and it is a very nice way to express your thanks. Plus, it is definitely useful Italian.
Grazie mille. Go ahead and repeat, grazie mille. Again, grazie mille. Bravi. Grazie mille means thank you very much. The word mille literally means 1,000. So, 1,000 thank yous, which we translate to thank you very much. One more time, everyone, repeat grazie mille. Since we added to grazie, we'll do the same for prego, because it has another meaning in addition to you're welcome. Prego also means please, and perhaps you've also seen it on aisle 7.
Me, pasta sauce in a jar in a store. Don't even get me started. That's a discussion for some other time. Because prego has a dual meaning, you're welcome and please. I always tell my students that when you're in Italia, it's a word you're going to hear 1,000,000 times a day. Okay, wait, maybe not 1,000,000, but let's just say often. So, you're wondering how to use prego as please.
On my tours to Italia, we always visit a vineyard. They all have their own stories, so it's always very interesting to hear them and see them. Afterward, we have lunch at the vineyard. The waiter asks if we would like to have more wine, and we answer, prego, please.
Of course, you could answer either yes or no.
Yes and no in Italiano are sì and no. Repeat sì. Again, repeat sì. Now repeat no. One more time, repeat no. Very good. One last thing about sì. As you begin writing Italiano, remember that when sì means yes, because it also has other meanings, but that's for another lesson, remember that sì, as yes, has the accento grave, the grave accent. It's the accent that goes down from left to right.
By the way, it is very easy to configure your keyboard so that you can write in Italiano. If you're having any problem with that, let me know and I'll take care of it for you. One more thing. Let's go back to using prego as please.
Here's another expression from the please family. Per favore. Repeat per favore. Again, repeat per favore. Per favore can be used when you have a request. Then it means, would you do me the favor? Returning to our dining example, when the waiter asks if you would like more wine, you could answer with per favore to mean, would you do the favor of bringing more wine?
As we progress with our lessons, we are going to add more expressions and more examples that will take you deeper into the language. But remember, for now, we are keeping it simple as we build our foundation, a strong foundation upon which we are going to build your comprehension of and ability to speak la bella lingua italiana.
Okay, let's review what we've learned today, and let's say them together. Grazie, grazie mille, prego, prego, per favore. Bravissimi. If you have any questions, contact me at my website, where you'll also find more lessons, information about private lessons, and the videos I produced about Italian culture while in Italia.
Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Grazie mille. Thank you very much for joining us. Sono Roberto. I'm Roberto. And until the next time, ciao ciao.